What's up, folks? YouTube. Hey, we out here with the Captain Mad Jack's Catfish Tournament 2017. And of course, you know, I love fishing, but today I love playing pranks more than anything. So today I'm gonna be scaring people with this shark. Check this out. Miss Terry Whitlow, folks. She's gonna sing the national anthem today. I was gonna have to do it, but thank God she showed up.
Yes.
Steve's like, either she's gonna do it or you're gonna be singing something.
Somebody gonna sing something. Okay. For the